Oh, hi AD. This is Diipa Büller-Khosla. This is my Amsterdam house that took 2 years in the making. Let me show you around. As soon as you come in, you see this gorgeous antique Indian goddess sculpture that immediately tells you this is the Indian house. And this incredible light that goes from top to bottom to show you the 2 floors of the house. Okay, first up, let me show you the living room. It is one of the coziest rooms in the whole house. This ginormous couch is where we chill and watch Netflix whenever we want. When I'm not working, that is, or traveling around the world or doing other things, this is the spot you'll find me. So my most favorite thing about this room has to be, look up. Okay, so on this side of the living room is this stunning open shelf where beautiful books that we look at, and of course there's our TV, family photos, just everything that makes the house and this room specifically so homely and cozy. And through these 2 custom-made French doors is the room where all the magic happens, where we host dinners, it's filled with laughter. First of all, the rounded theme of the house follows this, and it was quite difficult to do carpentry in rounds, but our architect managed. It's a really cute element that we love of our kitchen. This bench over here, this bench was made for us to really look at Amsterdam on the outside. This is the exact spot that Oleg and I stood at when we decided to buy the house. This fireplace in winters is like nothing else, and sitting on this antique Togo chair while the fire is on and our doggies are here and Dua's playing around. Oh. Dua, say Togo.
Togo.
Togo! Should we go downstairs? Let's go. Favorite part is coming downstairs. So welcome to the second part of this house, which is the lower level, or in Dutch, as I like to say, souterrain. Our brand in the wild, which started on a table similar to this. It's a good reminder that anything can happen if you work hard and put dedication to it. Now, it wouldn't be a true Amsterdam work-at-home office or atelier without a cozy fireplace. Let's go and check out where I sleep. To the master bedroom. Let's go. Welcome to our master bedroom. The favorite part of this room that is very me, that's very Diipa, the bed. I love sleeping. Ta-da! I think it's time for Dua's nap. And so, I also want to thank you guys for coming and checking out our home here in Amsterdam. Do I say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you guys for coming.
And I'm gonna put her to sleep.
Okay,